This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Ford Transit bonnet. First, locate the bonnet release lever inside the cabin, typically on the passenger side footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the primary latch has disengaged. Once you've done that, walk around to the front of your vehicle, ready for the next step. This simple action begins the process of accessing your engine bay. Now that the primary latch is open, gently lift the bonnet a few inches. Reach underneath the front edge, near the Ford badge, to locate the secondary safety catch. This small lever is typically positioned around the center or slightly to the right. You'll need to either push it upwards or slide it to the side to completely disengage the bonnet. This crucial step ensures the bonnet is fully unlocked and ready to be lifted. With the secondary latch released, you can now carefully lift the bonnet upwards. It might feel a little heavy, so use both hands for stability. Look for the metal support rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Unclip it, then firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the vehicle's frame. This ensures the bonnet stays securely open, providing safe access to your engine bay for any maintenance tasks. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from the frame and reclip it back into its holder on the bonnet's underside. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it's about 1 foot or 30 centimeters above the closed position. From this height, push down firmly on the front edge of the bonnet to engage both the primary and secondary latches. Always double-check that it's fully closed and secure before driving your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.